Hey Excel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Excel Made Easy, where we explore shortcuts to supercharge your productivity. Today, we're talking about the super handy Ctrl+9 shortcut. Trust me, this one's a lifesaver when working with big datasets. Ever feel overwhelmed by all the data on your screen? Well, Ctrl+9 is here to help. It lets you hide rows instantly without deleting them. Here's how it works. Let's say in a report, I want to temporarily hide rows 5 through 7 so I can focus on the rest of my data. All I need to do is select those rows, press Ctrl+9, and boom, gone. The rows are still there, just hidden. But wait, what if you need to bring them back? Easy. Just select the surrounding rows, right-click, and choose Unhide, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus number 9 to make them reappear. This is perfect for decluttering your workspace or focusing on specific data during analysis. Plus, it's a great way to hide sensitive info during presentations without deleting them. This is it for today. Shortcut Spotlight. Give Ctrl+9 a try and let me know how it helps you streamline your workflow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Excel lovers. Until next time, happy excelling!